All right, SOBs, got Lea with me back here. We haven't shot or, you know, put out any videos super recently. It's been a few weeks, but it's because you know, we were busy planning and we got married. So this is now officially Mrs. Slocum Outdoors and Beyond.
Hi.
So you know, we're up here at Norvin Green State Forest. I don't know exactly if we're gonna be able to do too much fishing, but I know there's a cool stream, so I brought my ultralight. I brought some ultralight tackle, but we're gonna go out here. We're gonna get some cool photos. We're gonna just check this place out. Leah's never been here. I was here once with my brother, but we're gonna get to walking and we'll shoot anything cool that we see. Let's get to it. All right, we're like 30 seconds down the trail. I barely finished the intro, but look at this cool. Like, the trail literally comes across these rocks. Look at her. Look at her. She's gotta walk. She's trying. Look, let me see if I can get over here. It's cool. It's cool, guys. If you haven't been up here, I recommend it. I'm gonna hope not to get wet. I'm also not gonna promise that I'm not gonna get wet though. All right, here we go. Look at this, guys. Nice little waterfallage. Check it out. This is awesome. You guys think there's fish in that little pond down there? I got a Joe's fly tied on. Should I climb down there and try it? Of course I should. All right, guys, we climbed down. Leah's up at the top of the waterfall up there. You can see her. But we're down here. It looks like I see a bobber stuck underwater to a tree over there. So that gives me a little bit of confidence that maybe we'll be able to find something in here. These small little tiny streams is, I feel, where the Joe's fly really excels. Because you're not trying to do any sort of really far casting. All right, let's keep moving down the stream. When I was here a few years ago with my brother, I saw some brook trout in the stream. So let's see what we can do. We got some great cliff faces over here, if you guys can see it. We'll have to get some good pictures for you. It's really cool here though. Alright guys, we walked for a little bit. We made it here to this waterfall. There's Lea over there. Beautiful waterfall. Now when I was here with my brother, this pool here had a bunch of little brook trout in it. I don't currently see any right now, but I'm gonna take some casts and see what we can do. Let's get to it. Alright, let's see what we can do with this little Joe's fly. I also have a trout magnet I could try. Oh, I was hooked up first cast. First cast I was hooked up, he let go. Oh boy, guys, let's see. Trout are scary. Trout are very skittish. Something hit it. Alright, so it seems as if there's a log down there, a sunken log. And it seems like when I usually get in a hit or two as I'm going along. Wow, can you see that? Pay attention. You'll see little things like whipping past it, trying to go at it. None that time. All right, yeah. I don't know what it is. Let's see. All right, it's just a creek chub.
Oh, that's such a cool story.
It's just a little creek chub, guys. Check that out. This is so cool coming to a little place like this and catching something. And we get the release. There he goes, hauling. Hope he's not stuck in there. I don't think so. All right, guys, let's see if there's anything else, because I think there's something bigger in there, because one of the hits I got was pretty substantial, I'll say. Oh, got another one. All right, looks like another creek chub. A little bit bigger of a creek chub. Oh, he flung himself off the hook.
Again, lucky you.
But the rocks are there to catch him. Look at this guy. It's like a sucker or creek chub, something like that. We got a release of the bigger guy. Here he goes. Woo! And he's out. I gotta tell you guys, just coming to a little spot like this and catching some fish, I don't care how small they are, it's fun. It's just a good time. Alright guys, so now we're at the top of the waterfall. A little bit, keeps going down. This is where we're catching fish, right down in there. Just a little pocket of this little creek. Really cool. Awesome. Alright SOBs, I'm back home now. Just doing some editing. Realized I never did an outro for this video. I didn't get crazy amounts of footage up there. Got some pictures and stuff for you. But we had a good time hiking out Norvin Green State Forest, going to that little waterfall. But, you know, I wanted to put this video together, let you guys know, sorry it's been so long I put out a video. But getting married was a little bit of a task. You know, there's a lot of preparations, so I didn't have time for filming and editing and everything. But I'm getting back to editing now, and I got videos from before we got married, I got videos since we got married, I got all sorts of videos, current and previous content, so I'm gonna drop all sorts of stuff for you guys. But if you like these, you know, small little creek hiking to a waterfall to try to catch a little fish out of the bottom of it type of videos, hit that like button. Drop a comment and tell me if you've ever caught little fish at the bottom of a waterfall like that. Subscribe, you can see all my new stuff coming out. Till next time, guys. Peace.